Hi boys and girls, hi mathematicians. Today is Friday. We're going to do math lesson 33. So today you're going to need, some of you have this at home, a 5-group mat. I'm not sure everyone does, but you could quickly make one on paper. You could put 5 circles on top or 5 circles on bottom, or if you have a 10 frame, you could use a 10 frame instead of the circles. You're also going to need your 10 cubes, 5 of each color, and you're going to need your dot cards, number cards, okay? And you'll need pencil and maybe your crayon box too as well. All right, so today we're going to start with an application problem to get our brains thinking about numbers. And today Margaret baked some biscuits. So this is, you need your pages. And this is on here. It's lesson 33. And there are 3 pages for lesson 33. Okay, it says Margaret baked some biscuits. Let's see how many she baked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Her kitten jumped on the table and took one away. So how would we show that her kitten took one away from the tray? Usually we add something, but today something was taken away. So we can put an X on the one that was taken away. How many biscuits were left for Margaret? Well, if we had 10 and 1 is gone, now we have 9. We have 5 in the top row and 4 on the bottom row, and that makes the number 9. Okay. Well, let's move on, and we're going to do a little practice counting. We're going to do some sunrise and sunset counting. I think Mrs. Miller did some sunrise and sunset counting with you before. Sunrise is when the sun comes up, and sunset is when the sun goes down. So we want to start at 1. The sun's just starting to come up, and then when we get to 10, the sun is all the way to the top. And then we start at the top at sunset, and we go all the way down to 1 to get to the end of the sunset. Okay, so let's start with 1. You can get down real low and come up, or you can take your hands and make a circle. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then make your sunset go down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep practicing counting forwards and backwards, having the sun rise and the sun set. Okay, today we're going to use our 5-group frame and some cubes. You don't all have red and blue, but that's what I'll be using. So whatever color you have, use all of one color and then all of the other. So we're going to start by putting our red ones on the top row. And how many would that be? If I fill up the top row, that's right, we would have 5 red cubes. And if I fill up the bottom row with blue ones, how many blue cubes would we have? That's right, we would have 5 blue cubes. 5 red and 5 blue. If I have 5 red and 5 blue, how many does that make? That's right, that makes 10. So today we're going to take a look at our cards. So get your number cards out, and I want you to take them and turn them all over so you can see the dot side. So you're going to get your number cards out and look at the dot side. So right now I have 10, and my number 10 card has the dots that match. Okay? All right, and if we take one of the cubes off, now how many are on top? That's right, we have 4. And how many are on bottom? I'm sorry. No, we have 5 on top. Now how many are on bottom? 4. So 5 and 4. Find your card that has 5 dots on top and 4 dots on bottom. Okay, you're gonna find that one. It looks just like the 5 group mat. And then when we turn it over, we see the number 9. Good job. Okay, we're gonna take another cube off. Look for your number dots that have 5 on top and 3 on bottom. See if you can find it. Mrs. Hofer found hers. We have 5 on top and 3 on bottom. That matches. And when I turn it over, it's the number 8. Okay, let's take another one off. Now you can be doing this on your mat while I'm doing it on mine. So you're gonna take a cube off also, and then you're gonna look for the card that shows 5 on top and 2 on bottom. Because 5 and 2, that's the number 7. Okay. All right, you ready to take another cube off? Okay, now how many? We have 5 on top and 1 on bottom. That's the number, oops, sorry. 5 on top and 1 on bottom. That matches. Now we have the number 6. All right, now all of our blue ones are off and we only have red ones left and the whole top is full. I know you know what number that is, but it would look like this with the dots. It matches, and then it's the number 5. Okay, take off another red. And now find the card that has 4 dots left. And that's the number 4. Okay, we have the number 3. And take off another one, find the dots. 2. And if I'm going too fast for you, just hit pause on the video and then you can catch up with me. Okay? And then we have 1 left and we just have 1 dot on the side. And there's 1. Okay? All right, good job. Now I would like for you to practice taking your number cards and mixing them up and putting them in order from 1 to 10. Do that a couple of times at home for good practice. See how fast you can do it, okay? And also I want you to complete, so you're gonna count the dots and write how many for each one. See if you can subitize it. Maybe you don't need to count. Maybe you can see how many, 5 and 2, okay? And then you're gonna fill in the dots going vertical, remember, up and down in a column. And so look here, they did number 6 for you. There's 5 and 1. So they just took the card from this way and turned it this way. They went horizontal to vertical. Okay, so you're gonna fill in the vertical dots and then you're gonna do the back as well. Okay, and then I think there's one more page that goes with this lesson. It is, yeah, count the balloons. Oh, we're gonna cross one out and write how many balloons are left. So, okay, all right, have a good day.